Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you how to create Instagram account. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram. If you already have Instagram account, then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on three-line icon. Here you can see setting and privacy. Tap on it. Scroll down. Then tap on logout of all accounts. Then tap on logout. Here we are going to create a new account, so tap on it. Here we will be required our name. Then tap on next. Then you have to create a password which is at least 6 letters or numbers. Then tap on next. If you want to save your login info, then tap on save, or if you don't want, then tap on not now. Then you have to set your birthday. Then tap on set. Then tap on next. It will ask you what username you want to use. Keep in mind it has not been taken by anyone else. It has to be unique. So tap on next. Now you can either enter your mobile number or sign up with email. Here I am signing with my email address. Then enter your email address. Then tap on next. To confirm your account, it will ask a 6-digit code which is sent on your email address. Tap on next. If you agree to Instagram terms and policies, then tap on I agree. Now successfully your Instagram account has been created, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.